Today, let's discuss what data warehouse is and how it is different from data lakes, as both are fairly similar concepts in many videos if you can see in YouTube. So, let's understand first what the difference between lake and warehouse is and why we use it. So, in the previous video, we discussed about data lakes, about how different sources, data from different sources and different types of data can just be stored in the data lakes in an unstructured format. It's just like taking different things and just putting it together. So the good thing is you get different types of data together in one place. But the bad thing about that is there is nothing structured. You can't just take out anything and use it. So it's like everything just a messy drawer in which you can find everything, but you can't find something in a specific place. So this sounds good if you want to get some new idea. But if you have a pipeline which is going on, then you need something structured from where you can get the information you need in just one place. You look once and you get the information which you need. So for that purposes, warehouse is used. So all the unstructured data in data lakes are converted into structured things in and stored it into data warehouses where it can be used for different purposes. So suppose I am from business intelligence department. I know what is the data I'm looking for. I just go into data warehouse. I'll take it out from there because I know where to look. So that is how data warehouse is different from data lakes, and that is why we use data warehouses. So in modern companies, this is the architecture which is fairly followed. We take all the data unstructured way in data lakes, and then we take the data which can be structured into data warehouses where it can be used for further processes like business decisions, intelligence, as well as visualizations. So I hope you understood what data warehouse is in this video. So like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.